everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jean, the Candid Filipina, and today I'm here in Atmundan Public Market because it is a market day today, and of course it's a bit crowded. So, well, I gotta show you the market here, and without any further ado, let's wrap. So here everyone, every Thursday they have a market day and they're selling livestock in here like this roasters because people love roasters. Of course they will selling it. Hi, how much the roaster? How much is that? How much is that?
Per
Tatay?
kilo, 280 per kilo.
It's sold per kilo. So this is for a cockfight here, right?
Oh,
What you call this tatay? What call that?
one thing.
Buwanting. Buwanting. This one, how about this one? It's the same per kilo?
Oh, per kilo.
So he sold this, what do you call that one?
Balaw.
Balaw.
Bulik.
Uli. Okay. So they will sell, also there's little chicks in here. You will sell that one also. So these are his product. So every Thursday they are all here. Selling by as this one also hen? Yeah?
Yeah.
Bay? Hen. Per kilo.
Per kilo.
How much?
280.
280 per kilo. So if you come in here every Thursday here in Katmon, they are just here by the side of the road. So 280 per kilo. Okay, that is you can do because Filipinos love cockfight. It's not in your mind cockfight. I mean the roaster itself. So they sell it here. They sell livestock here. And this we have a lot of people here. They are selling also food. So this one here, he's selling buttered chicken. Buttered chicken, and of course that's what they call it there, puso. It's a rice pocket. So, how much the chicken kaya? 15 peso. And how about the puso? How much is that? Five each. 5 per bucket. Okay, 5 each. So this is Carmen Public Market. And of course, this one here, if you want to, so like a lot of people here are doing like that. So he's coming here every Thursday, and that is his store. Kaya pila pa ba ba? Kay Sinta na. 60 peso. So, if you need someone to sharpen your, what's that, saw? 60 peso. So this is here, and there most of the store here every Thursday they get open because there's so the ceiling here also called tobacco lumboy leaves na no that leaves. How much na tagpila? That is 15 peso per bundle na no, 15 peso per bundle, and they use it like that, like cigarettes. Can you come that way? Yeah, like that, a cigarette. Smoking. Yeah, is there tobacco inside? Tobacco leaves, tobacco inside. So how much the tobacco per leaf? 5. So that is the tobacco, the raw one. It's not processed, it's fresh. So she's selling that here in every Thursday. Every Thursday you're here. So every Thursday they are here. And also this is a local mat. When I was a kid, we always like mom. How much is that? So 300. 300. And the small one is the same price? 180. The small one. This is the family size, right? Yes. Family size. That is a single. So guys, if you ever come here in Katmon and you want like this, because you can yeah, that is a native one. So people here are so friendly. The noble. Yeah, how much is that? 250. Guys, 250 and she sell that here. So if you ever come here, she's selling here if you like it. It's very cheap because this is native. Ikaw nagbuhat ani? Oh. Every Thursday. Okay, that is handmade from the family. They don't like that handmade. So that is to ET. Yes, letter. Yeah. So here also Decorate first. See. Oh, this one here, he repairs or adjusts your watch. Like that. Radio. Kuya, pila pa adjust sa relo? Pila pa adjust sa relo?
Just
Yeah.
quick stuff.
50 peso per adjustment of your wristwatch. If it's too big for you, he will do it here. 50 peso. So this is his stall inside the market, and he's always here like every Thursday. So, oh, see more people here. Hmm. This one here, she's selling anything you like tobacco. She's selling tobacco. She's selling lighter.
Oh, bilang dahil. Bilang dahil.
She's selling lighter, and she's selling some stuff. Kapila imong lighter, ate. How much this lighter like? 2 pesos for 15 pesos? 2 pesos for 15 pesos. And the different size also of, what you call that one? Lumboy. This is the one, this is the old woman popping earlier, like cigarettes. So this is short ones, and they also have long ones that is 30 peso. Ate no? And this one, the short ones, pila ni? 20 peso. So if you want a local tobacco, that is leaves. I don't know what's called that leaves, but yeah, she's selling that here. So I cannot go there because there's some music. Of course, he's selling her bola. Wow. Very sharp, huh? Kuya, how much this one?
380.
380. And this one, this type also of bolo. How much is that?
Huh?
How much?
260.
260. And that one, wow. That one,
one?
yeah,
165.
165. I'm very cheaper here. And it's very sharp. That one is 530. That one is 530. Wow. And this, when I was a kid, we have like this. Pila ni inani na karon kaya how much? 260. This is pita, no?
Alo.
Alo. And that one, the bigger one,
530.
530. That's one.
780.
And the biggest one,
1 to.
1,200. 780. Okay, wow. They also have, what's a frying pan? How much that one there?
285.
285. And how about the big one?
880.
880. 880. So, Kuya is here every Thursday. You're open every Thursday. And of course, he got here the construction materials also. Like this. Like this. How much is that? Kuya, how much is this?
150.
150. 150. There in the market, here in the market. And of course, you get this like here. Kani Kuya, how much is that? 150. 150. Oh, kani Kuya, how much is Maso? 180 each. So my uncle used this. He built it. This one, 120. So it's 100 plus. Here it's not more than 500. So it's cheaper. It's cheaper here in the market. And this one, what's called that one? 150. So everything here is just under 500. Dili tanan, not all. Unsa ma, how much one is the expensive one?
3 plus.
3, this one 3 plus. So this one 100 plus, and this one 3 plus. And then he got also knife. How much the knife? Kuya?
120.
120 the knife. So if you want a cheaper prices, you will go here in the market, because he's here and he has construction. It's cheaper. It's very cheap. He sold it cheaper, and this is his stall. Thank you. And also the nanay also sell it here. Wow. Basin? Ay, tagpila ni Nay? 100. 100, guys. This one is for the kitchen. I have spoon case. How much is this, Nay? 150. Imagine that. And this picture, Nanay? 100. Guys, 100. And I guess they have the same price as the other one because they are competing here. So, I know this broomstick is very expensive. Tagpila na ni karon nanay?
One is 60.
60.
One is 50 and that one is 70.
70. And this broomstick, this is made of coconut. 50 each. 50 each, guys. 15 pesos. 15. Sorry, my bad. 15. And you have some Tupperwares here. Pila ni nay? Lunchbox. 70. 70. It's very cheap. It's lower than the shopping mall. What's the name? Hapag? Nigo. How much is it?
Kalibo.
140. Nigo. 140. So, nanay here also every Thursday. This is her stall here inside the market. So, thank you, Nay. So, she's very nice. Very nice. So, ate here also. She's selling toys. And good for your kids. And I know it's cheaper, the toys here. Because it says 125. She got a price here, 125. Hi! Permit everyday ka, Derry? Or every Thursday. So, she's here every Thursday. And she got, the lighter is 15 peso, right? Two. Sorry. For two, you get two lighter for 15 peso. Nail polish. Wow! Flags. Pila ni, ate? 15. Ay, nail cutter. My bad. Nail cutter. 15. Of course, if you have a Filipina girlfriend or wife, you know what is ready this one. How much is this netball? 23. 23. That 3 pesos is 23. Just 3 pack. It's 23. Because it's very cheaper here in the market, especially during the market day. And I'm so happy I'm chatting with them, which is you have a cutter knife here. Pila ni ate, how much is that? 48, sorry. Yeah, 48, 45. My bad, she put it 48. That's 45. So, she's here every Thursday. What time ka mag-open every Thursday? What time? 8 a.m. Until? 4. 4 in the afternoon. So, she's here. Yeah, till 8 a.m. till 4 in the afternoon. So, this is her shop. So, she said she's not open always every Thursday only. So, it's very crowded there. So, here, she's selling clothes. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. So, how much is this, ma'am?
150.
150. And she got Crocs. How much this Crocs?
285.
285. She's selling, and the sandals. Wow, this is nice. I like this. How much is this, I think?
Ito ma'am, 250.
250. You open here every day?
Yes.
Is this your shop?
Mm-mm.
Your shop or just working
No.
here? You are working here?
Mm-mm.
Oh, if you don't mind, what is your name?
Chin.
Chin?
Mm-mm.
Chin. How old are you, ma'am?
43.
43. Well, you look 20. Seriously, 43. So you work here every day?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't mind, how much you earn every day?
Huh?
How much you earn every day?
Depende.
Why it depends? Like, they give you salary every day? How much the salary every day, if you don't mind?
300.
300 every day. 300 every day. Ma'am Chin, are you single?
No.
No? Ma'am Chin is not single, so she has a family. So, this is her product, and she gave me the prices. And of course, if you want shorts, they have shorts here. How much is this?
480.
480. So, you can ask discount. Because this is a market, they will give you discount, not in the shopping malls because it's already fixed price. So 400, 480. Wow, this is nice. And also, guys, she's selling panties. Okay. Ate, how much your panties? Is that per pack?
No.
No?
It's
Pieces. It's per pieces. How much per pieces?
35.
35.
5.
555. And this one is boxer? Boxer. Is that
No,
per
ma'am.
pieces brief? Is that per pieces also? How much per piece?
48.
48 per piece. Guys, if you want cheaper price, come here in the market. She's here. She's selling brief. panties, boxers, and also she's selling shorts, as you said, 400, and Crocs, pinad slippers. So she's here. This is so nice here. Very cheap. I'm so amazed they are very cheap. So let's move on to another shop. And the shop, she's selling variety of, hello. So she's selling of, oh wow, that's nice. How much this ate? How much? 180. 160. He's giving me the discount. And of course, he has a flashlight. And how much your flashlight here?
160 to 20 to 35.
Oh, yes. They're giving you a cheaper price. If you want 260 and you will ask a discount, they will give you 120. That is the bottom rack price. This is the important here in the market because they will give you a bottom rack price. And especially if you're looking for shoes. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? The shoes. How much is this?
30.
530. And bottom rack price. This is discounted.
Discounted.
How much is it?
550.
550. Discount. 550. So here in the market, you can ask the bottom rack price because they're very nice and they're very understanding of your budget. So this is a friendly price and the market. And of course, if you need a water bottle, right here, you open every day here? Yes, they're open. What time you open every day? 6 o'clock in the morning and close
530.
5:30. 30. You own this shop, ma'am, if you don't mind? This one. So you're working here. If you don't mind, how much you earn every day? 300. What's your name? I know one. Janice. How old are you, ma'am?
32.
You don't like 32? Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Single, but no kid.
2 kids.
2 kids and single mom. So 300, 2 kids or single mama. It's very great. So she's not in a relationship. She's busy. So, of course, if you want belt here, this is the belt they're selling. Kaya how much your belt?
120.
120. So he's the owner. And it's always good, give a good price. So come visit in Katmon and he's always here, open at 6 in the morning until 6 at night. So he's selling a lot of stuff. The clothes, of course. If you want. This one. Or uniforms. Or this one for your girlfriends. Kuya, how much your clothes in here? Like that dress.
360.
360. And because he's very nice, guys always give you discount. 360. So he's the owner of the shop. And find him here if you want a cheaper products. So, people here are so friendly, isn't it? I like this dress. Oh my god, so beautiful. Aren't they? Wow. But it won't fit me. This is for the kids. Kid size. Kuya, excuse me, tagpila ni. How much is this, kuya? Oh, it's not the owner. Sorry, the owner is not here. But I like it. Wow, I like the dress. But I cannot ask him. He don't know. He's not the owner. So let's have here it says bargain. Bargain for 35. So all the slipper. Wow. Excuse me, ma'am. Pila ni? How much is that? 35. You own the shop, ma'am? You're the owner of the shop? Yeah, you own this or you're working there? Here. Working. Oh. If you don't mind, may I know what's your name? Jima. How old are you, ma'am? 32. Oh, she looks young. She looks younger than me. If you don't mind, how much you earn every day, ma'am? How much you earn every day here? It depends on the income. So you will get commission. Sweldo. Oh, sweldo. How much per day? 300. So all people working here in the market get 300 per day. 300 per day. So excuse me, the selling pan, how much is that? The plastic selling pan? 250. 250. 250. Are you single, ma'am, Shima? Married. She's married. And she's working here. And she's selling this as a 200. 200. So it's nice to walk around here in the market. They're very friendly. And if you want cheaper prices, guys, let's check it out. Every Thursday, they are here. And of course, they are open morning. If you want to come here in the morning, if you don't like crowded, so you can come here in the morning because they are here Thursday and they are giving you very beautiful prices here. And of course, my favorite, the dried fish. So I don't know how much is dried fish, but it's it's very expensive, especially if it's rainy days. So yeah, how much per kilo this one? 300 per kilo because of the weather. So it's very expensive. So what you call this one?
Caballos.
Caraballos. Caraballos. And that's one here. How much is that per kilo?
It's 20.
320.
Yeah.
320. And what's the name?
Lawihan.
Lawihan.
Bakas na lang.
Yeah. It's already split. And that's one here.
Upot.
How much per kilo?
280.
280. It's cheaper compared to a big.
Yeah.
It's cheaper here because it's market day, so it's cheaper and you can find. This is below 500.
Yeah.
Below 500. And you're open here every day or
Yes,
just
ma'am. Always.
always open every day? So, but we have more stock every Thursday, right? We have more stock every Thursday.
Yeah.
Yes, we stocks every Thursday because they are here. This is a market day. So thank you so much for your time. And my favorite is danggit. I know expensive danggit. How much is that?
1,000.
1,000 a kilo? Danggit is 1,000.
51 per.
Yes, because it's very well known here and it's very expensive. A lot of people will love this kind of dried fish danggit. So thank you so much. So here I am. Here we're going here and the bottom of this here in the fruit stand. I always stand here because she's always selling fresh fruits. So this is watermelon. And watermelon has price. 48. 48 like this. She's selling this for 48 peso. And 384. Is this per kilo, ma'am? Yes. Per kilo. And what's this melon?
Sweet melon.
Sweet melon. How much is that, ma'am?
165.
165 a kilo. A kilo.
Ano siya? Sobra sa duha.
More than 2 kilo. So here, before the banana, you will sell the banana each, right? Now, per kilo now. How much? 100 per kilo. 100 per kilo. And your oranges is per kilo also or just piece?
2 for 25.
2 for 25. This is fresh. 2 for 25 and the apples are 15 each. So not selling per kilo, it's each. And the mangoes, I know mangoes will sell per kilo. 160 per kilo. So you're open here every day? What time you will open every day, ma'am? Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm so bad. May I know what's your name, ma'am? Monette. How old are you, ma'am?
41.
No, it's long here. Do I need to give it proper age? So, 41. And you own this shop. So, if you don't mind, how much you earn every day of this fruit stand? Small amount. Small amount. And you're renting here. How much for rent here?
Every day 20 per month. 100.
Ay, so 100 peso per month in this unit, the whole unit. 20 peso every day or per unit. So she said she's earn not every day earn good, right? 'Cause in the market day you earn good because there's a lot of people. So she's selling there, and of course she's selling peanuts. Peanuts for 140, and she's here every day. Every day she will get fresh fruits here, and this is her stand. Thank you so much for your time, madam. So here is a vegetable stand. I like it here every Thursday. They will give you fresh vegetables from the mountain. This is fresh fruits from the mountain. So, look at the carrots. It's very shiny, isn't it? Very nice. Look at the potato. It's very, very beautiful. Fresh potato from Ate, how much na ang potato per kilo?
180.
180. How about the carrots?
160.
160 a kilo. Yeah. 120 this local one. This is 160. Can it per kilo or this is per piece? 100 a kilo. 100 a kilo. And they got a fresh tomato from the farm. How much ang kilo ani ate? How much per kilo? This is that 80? Pila kilo ani? 100 ang bad. Bad for pricing. 100 and the eggplant. Ooh. How much the eggplant per kilo? How much buy some eggplant? 80 a kilo. 80 a kilo. And she's Ate, you're open every day? Yes, open every day. What time you open every day?
Open ron yung kada adlaw ma.
Yeah, unsa oras in the morning?
4 to 7.
4 o'clock in the morning to 7 at night? Wow, that's early. She's here every day. So if ever you want to come here and get a fresh vegetable, she's here. So this is the market and it's very, very cheap. So hello. So it's his time today. She's selling vinegar. She's selling how much kilo per garlic ni? 160. You're working here? Is this your shop or you're just working here? Working. How old are you? 20. You look so pretty. And what's your name? Sarah. Sarah and 20. You're not school, Sarah? Because you're working here. Every day you're here. Okay. Are you single, Sarah? Are you single or married? Single. Sorry, my bad. Oh, she has grapes. How much the kilo for your grapes, Sarah? 200 kilo grapes. How about the mango? 160. Are you from here? Are you from here in Katmon? You're here from Katmon. And you work here from the mountainside or just in here in the proper mountainside? Agso, that's far. That's far. So how much your salary here every day if you don't mind, Sarah? 300. Ah, so you're working here to help your family. You didn't have plan to back to school, to study college. You didn't have plan to do that. Why? You're just content study here? You're just content working here? I see. Do you finish high school? You finish high school? Senior high school. But not yet. Because she's not studying, so she is
Branch over there.
working here.
1/4.
She's working here. Sarah, thank you for your time. 21 years old, 300 so a day. 300. Hello. So this is another shop here. The squash. How much is this per kilo, ate? 35 a kilo. That's cheap. So this one here is her shop. You're open here every day or every Thursday lang? Every day. You work here or you own this shop? Your shop. Okay, it's her shop. May I know what's your name? Amy. How old are you, ma'am? 20. You're single. You're single. No kids yet. No kids. So you're studying or you just busy? No studying. You're just busy here. This is their family business. She's just busy here working in their shop. So if you don't mind me asking, how much do you earn every day? How much your income here every day? Small amount. But it's not lower than 1,000 peso every day. Sometimes it's lower than 1,000 pesos. Sometimes, but every Thursday you have good income, right? Because this is market day. So all your vegetables is from the mountain. Yeah. She said yes. So if you're here and if you're coming here, she's selling fresh fruits from the local farmer here in Katman. So thank you for your time, Amy. So here. And this is the fish market. So they have a very fresh fish. And the market is by the sea. So of course it's all fresh. Here, look at that. Look at the fish. We got a very nice fish here in the market. Yes, sure, why not? So here she's okay. Ate, this is a milkfish. How much per kilo, ate? Yeah. How much a kilo of this, ate? 240. A milkfish. Pangalwan. 380. Pangalwan. Pangalwan. So that's good. It's my first time to see that kind of fish. So she said it's pangalwan. And this is a flying fish. Before you say anything, here in the Philippines, it's very common that we eat small fish, right? How much per kilo, ani ate?
180.
180. And this is squid. How much kilo of your squid, ate? So, that's very good. 240. And I'm sure this is tuna if I'm not wrong. Tuna or tulingan. So, looks nice that too, huh? Looks expensive too. Mahal. So if ever you will come here and you want a fresh fish, come here in Katmon because they always sell fresh fish and the baby is there in the water. So this is here the dagat, the sea. So we call it here dagat. So the market is actually by the sea. So here I am in this section. She's selling. What's this?
Gusto.
Gusto. How per kilo?
O, ali, 20 ang, ay, 80 ang kilo.
80 per kilo. And this one for
Lato,
lato.
30.
30. This one, mackerel na. This buro. How much this?
250.
250. And this one?
240.
And this one? Squid.
155.
155. Tulong kabuok. So may I know what's your name, please? Excuse me. May I know what's your name? Nicole. Nicole, how are you?
27.
27. You're single, Nicole? Is this your business? Nicole's business is here. She's selling fish here at the market. So she's 27. She's lovely. She's very nice. So this one is cheap because, as I said, market day. So she's here every time. One. And this is more, yeah. And this is more seafood. Hello. I don't know what you call this one. What's the name? Nice. Yeah. What's your name? Nokot. 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 It's my, I don't know. This. Oh God. What is that? What's that, Ninay? Huh? Buhal saang. It's my first time to see this. Baka uni? Ah, okay. Okay, para, I don't know what's that, but it's my first time to say like this. This is sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. This is mussel. How much is this, Nai? Per kilo? 100 per kilo. So, very fresh vegetables and seafoods here at this here. This is my first time to see like that. Seriously, it's my first time. They said it's good for the fish if you want fish too. So here, seashells. Seashells. Pilaan ite. This is 20. Oh, very, very alive. This is squirting. Wow, very fresh. This is still squirting. 20 per like this. So, they only here. Everyday ka nanay? Everyday ka abli? No? Every Thursday. Every Thursday. She's here every Thursday only. She's selling this shellfish. It's very... Oh, 1 day a week. She said she's here 1 day a week. Alright. Okay. So, I guess I'm done here. So, it's nice to walk here in the market. It's very lovely. So I guess I've done here in the market as people is very lovely here in Tatmonadan. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want me to cover anything that I haven't covered, please feel free to comment down below. I love to hear your feedback. So anyway, I guess I'm done here and see you in my next video, guys. Bye!